Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the very first actions now. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to your path so Flutter commands work from any shell. Open Android Studio or VS Code and add Dart and Flutter extensions. This gives you project templates and debugging. Once done, run Flutter Doctor to surface missing pieces, then accept Android SDK licenses and install required platform tools. This ensures your machine can build and emulate apps. Now you create and run a real app so you learn by doing. Use Flutter Create to scaffold a new project, then open it in your IDE and run FlutterPub get to fetch packages. Inspect lib/main. Dart to understand the widget tree, then modify a text or elevated button to see hot reload effects. Next, launch an emulator or plug in a device. Once the device appears, run Flutter Run and watch the app boot. This shows how code changes map to UI instantly. You finish by preparing builds and learning debugging workflows so you can ship. Use Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS for release artifacts, and make sure to configure signing for iOS and Android. Use Flutter Dev tools to inspect layout, trace rebuilds, and profile performance to find jank. When something breaks, try Flutter Clean then FlutterPub get to clear cached artifacts. If issues persist, check device logs with Flutter logs and adjust dependencies or platform settings to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.